Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a quick and easy heart. You're going to need a 5mm crochet hook and a red worsted weight yarn or whatever color you want for the heart. To get started, we're going to begin with the magic circle. You don't want to use the chain loop method for this project because you will want to close up that hole when you are finished your heart. So we're going to start by chaining 3. You want to keep those kind of loose because on the second round we're going to be slip stitching back into those. You're going to make 3 treble crochets, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. Repeat that 2 more times. Now you're going to want to make 3 double crochets, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that 2 more times. We're going to chain 1, make 1 treble crochet, chain 1. Then we're going to make 3 double crochets, three treble crochets, then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into our magic circle. Then I will pull my tail tight just to tighten it up a little bit. And now to start our second round, you're going to slip stitch into each of those chain 3s from the previous round. So slip stitch into each of those chain 3s. Then next, if you followed the pattern correctly, you should have your 3 treble crochets, and you're going to make 2 single crochets into each of those treble crochets. Then next is your 3 double crochets, and you're just going to make 1 single crochet in each of those. Then you're going to single crochet into that chain 1 space. Next is your triple crochet, so you're going to make a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet. Then in that next chain space, you're going to make a single crochet. Then next is your 3 double crochets, so make 1 single crochet in each of those. Then next is your 3 trebles, and you're going to make 2 single crochets into each of those treble crochets. Then next is your chain 3, so slip stitch into each of those chain 3 stitches. Then to finish it off, you're going to slip stitch into that magic circle. Tighten up your tail. And then you're going to cut your yarn and fasten off, and then I'm going to weave in my ends. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.